The newly inducted Rafale fighter aircraft will feature in India's Republic Day parade on the 26th of January and will culminate the flypast by carrying out a vertical Charlie formation. The IAF is all set to showcase host of indigenously built aircrafts at the parade. The Indian Air Force soldiers are rehearsing for the 7 to 8 hours of the upcoming Republic Day parade at Rasana Hills.
Taking the Atmanirbhar initiative forward, the Indian Air Force is gearing up for a power-packed display of strength with indigenously built aircrafts at the Republic Day parade. The theme of the IAF's tableau this year is Atmanirbhar Indian Air Force.
This time we are mostly focused on Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliance. You see what are the aircraft we have here, the Tejas, which is equipped with a Rudra missile. Now we got a LCH that is equipped with a Dhruvastra missile. We got indigenized Rohini radar, Akash missile system that is done by the Bell, Shu-30 with BrahMos and Astra missile. Ladies and gentlemen, you see all are things that are already in Indian Force or we are inducting in Indian Air Force. All are designed, fabricated, everything in India only.
The 50 feet long tableau will showcase Tejas, LCH, Dhruv, Rohini radar, Astra and BrahMos.
Rudra, we have a long range missiles, which will previously we didn't have such a facility. We used to buy it from outside. Now this thing they indigenize in India. Now any problem if you coordinate that we have a system, we can talk to them, we can have a new generation, next generation missiles also. Like we have Akash. Now earlier we used to buy it from Russia. Now this is totally developed in India. So any problem we are facing in day-to-day life also. So it gets solved very easily.
The IAF's March Past contingent will be headed by 4 officers leading 96 air warriors in 12-into-8 formation.
The IAF marching contingent is being led by Flight Lieutenant Tanik Sharma with 3 supernumerary officers, namely Flight Lieutenant Manjeet Singh, Flight Lieutenant Apurva Yadav and Flying Officer Kuttappa.
Air Force's band contingent will be led by Flight Lieutenant Tanik Sharma. The band of 72 musicians will play tunes like Astronaut, Tiranga and Sare Jahan Se Achha. In their endeavour to put up a spectacular show on Republic Day, the shortlisted air warriors are rehearsing 7 to 8 hours a day. In what is known to be one of the most awaited events of the parade, 42 aircrafts will fly past the Rajpath area in 2-block formations.
There will be a large number of aircraft which are taking part in the flypast. There are a total of 42 aircraft which comprise of 15 fighters, 5 transport aircraft, 17 helicopters, 1 vintage aircraft and 4 helicopters from the Army Aviation. There will be a total of close to around 9 formations, in fact more than 9 formations which will be part of the flypast. Key amongst them probably will be a formation, Rudra formation, in which there will be a Dakota, a vintage aircraft, which will be flanked by Mi-17 helicopters. Probably the first time over Rajpath you'll see a fixed-wing aircraft flanked by helicopters.
The Birdmen will be making following 12 formations with the aircrafts.
This year, the Republic Day Parade will witness 12 formations by the Indian Air Force, and also a lot of emphasis will be on the Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant Air Force.
Nishan, Dhruv 4 helicopter formation, Rudra, Sudarshan Chinook, Rakshak, Bheem, Netra by Su-30, Garuda C-17 in centers, MiG-39 and Su-30, Eklavya, Trinetra by Su-30, Vijay formation, Rafale last vertical Charlie. The highlight of this year's parade by the Indian Air Force is going to be the display of Rafale fighter jets. The flypast by Golden Arrows will be carried out in vertical Charlie formation. In the vertical Charlie formation, the aircraft flies at a low altitude, pulls up vertically and conducts roll before stabilizing at a higher altitude.
This is the tableau which will be showcasing the might of the Indian Air Force and also the message of Atmanirbhar Bharat campaign.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.